Hi, this is the AUDUSD pair and I'm looking at the M15 chart, 15 minutes chart. Today it's 22nd of May 2013 and the time is 7:10 GMT. And I'm using what else? Ichimoku Kinko here on my chart, and you can see here that although on the M15 time frame we had horizontal arrangement of the Kumo for a while, now we had a bearish breakout, a bearish Kumo breakout, a very strong one. We see the sharp edge of the leading bearish Kumo. You may tell me that we may have something like this. Yes, but this Kumo here had a flat top, so it was definitely bullish. Here, this is not the case. We have a different top here, which is definitely bearish, and a very sharp edge, which is also bearish. Chiku span, the green line, looks straight down, and the price is sloping, is angling, is falling almost straight, and the Tenkan-sen, the red line, is sloping downwards, and Kijun-sen is following it. Let's go to M30. M30, we see the leading Kumo has a sharp edge, it's bearish. We have a bearish Kumo breakout here too. Chiku span goes straight below past price action. Tenkan-sen, the red line, is sloping downwards, and Kijun-sen sloping downwards. Definitely a bearish environment. H1 chart. It is a bit early to talk about Kumo breakout, but it's about to happen if it continues like this. And we see that the leading Kumo has an edge with a crossover, a bearish crossover of Senkou span A, which is the upper borderline of the Kumo, and Senkou span B. If they cross successfully, they will give birth to a bearish Kumo, and that will happen next. We see Chiku span is below past price action, but inside the Kumo, so we don't have 100% bearish environment here, but things look bearish. H4 chart. After this correction, we have the leading Kumo, which is definitely bearish. We have it making a sharp edge pointing downwards. That's an aggressive bearish signal. Chiku span, which was going straight down and turned upwards during this correction, now it's turned downwards again. So on the H4 chart we have a bearish market sentiment too. Of course, on the daily chart we have a huge bearish move, and the three candlesticks of the previous days were just a minor correction, which was not even felt by this time frame. It didn't make any difference. On the weekly chart, we see that we have a Chiku span going straight down very strongly, and here the Kumo, the leading Kumo, is about to give birth to a new bearish one. We are about to have a bearish cross between Senkou span A and Senkou span B. So if you want to make sure about this, you can monitor it by the smaller time frames. I have put the turquoise line here at the point where I have entered short, but you can wait for the potential higher correction. If for instance one of the M15 candlesticks move moves higher, you can go and enter higher than 0.9775 where I have entered. The higher the better when you enter short, okay, because you want to sell from a higher point. So this is it. Let's recap. M5 bearish, M15 bearish, M30 bearish, H1 bearish, it's about to have a bearish Kumo breakout, H4 bearish, daily bearish. Enter short and happy pips.